We are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.